Future ability. We use only be able to for future ability. Structure. Subject plus will be able to plus verb past form. Examples. I will be able to speak English. He will be able to drive the car. Ali will be able to swim in the river. Negative sentences. I will not be able to speak English. He will not be able to drive the car. Ali will not be able to swim in the river. Interrogative sentences. Will I be able to speak English? Will he be able to drive the car? Will Ali be able to swim in the river? Invitation. There are 5 different ways to give an invitation. So, first way, would you like to? Explanation. It is an excellent way to give an invitation. So, structure. Subject plus would you like to plus verb past form / noun plus object. Examples. Would you like to come to the party? Would you like to take tea? Would you like some tea? Second way. Do you want to? Explanation. It is another way to give an invitation, but it is slightly informal than would you like to. Structure. Do you want to plus verb past form / noun plus object. Examples. Do you want to take tea? So, do you want to come here? Do you want some juice? Third way. Why don't you? Explanation. This is another very good way to give an invitation. Structure. Why don't you plus verb past form plus object. Why don't you come to the party? Why don't you eat the meal? So, why don't you come here? Fourth way. Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences explanation. Imperative sentences can also be used to give an invitation. Examples. Come here. Come to the party tomorrow. Sit down and have a cake. So, fifth way. Value plus verb past form plus object. Examples. Will you take tea? Will you come to the ground? Will you have dinner with us? Thank you. That was a topic about future ability and invitation.